can hear me. I want the first ride with the air exhaust. This thing is insane. My God. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Dang. Explode. Jeez. Let me hear myself think. This thing's so loud. Oh my God, that pop. When you hit the quick shifter. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, the wind's blowing extra hard too. They were getting like 27, 30 mile an hour winds, so man, some suck behind a slow car. I can't pass them either. I think I made the right choice. I was gonna go with Austin Racing, but it was like 6 to 16 weeks before I would even see the exhaust. I didn't feel like waiting. I know there's gonna be some time period, but 16 weeks. That's a little bit long of a wait for me. And just looking at reviews, everybody saying this one sounds pretty good. So no DB killer. This thing is insane, and people's reviews don't do it any justice. This thing's a monster. Definitely woke the bike up a lot, a ton. Like I said, Austin Racing was going to take anywhere from 6 to 16 weeks. I think it's more so leaning towards the 16 weeks. And I mean, if I was going to spend almost $3,000 on the exhaust, I kind of want it sooner rather than later. So, and then I kept looking at the aero, and I seen that they changed the design on it. I guess the sticker used to be blue with the yellow A. Now it's black with the yellow A, and it kind of matches with the wheels and a couple other yellow and gold things on the bike, and I think it looks good. And it's black. I believe the piping that I got is stainless steel, and I think the actual silencer is titanium. As far as the tune goes, I don't know if you guys can see that. When it turns on, it says Racing Pro on it. The tune I got is the M Torque without the DB killers. So far, I actually love that. I like the way the bike feels. It's supposed to give you more maximum performance in the first 4 gears, and it does that. It's like I never really have to switch out of third gear, like on the streets. It's crazy, like how much torque you have, how much power you have with the tune. But yeah, man, the thing sounds insane without the DB killers. It performs well, and it actually looks good. Like, look at that, man. This is just by far my favorite purchase. Yeah, this was costly. I believe I spent I think it was like $2,300 pretty much in tune and all that. Well, not just the tune, but actually the little plug-in that goes in. That was like, it was all included in the package, but I can't remember how much it cost. But the actual tune itself, when you go into the app, was €200. No, I think it was €200, 200 pounds, one of the two, but which equates to probably about $250 US dollars. But yeah, Anybody who has this exhaust, I know you love it because I do. It is nice. Makes the bike sound insane. I'm gonna end the video like I usually do. Sorry if there's a little wind noises. We haven't a lot of wind this weekend, but I'm gonna go over the other things that I've added on the bike in case you haven't watched any of my other videos. Up top we got CNC Racing lever guard with a bar and mirror. I'm thinking about changing these mirrors back out. I think it kind of makes the bike look kind of retro. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the mirrors. I think I might switch back to like the triangular shaped ones and give these a rest. I know I can add it on. I can just add it down here like that. I think those make the bike look more sporty. But yeah. So we got CNC Racing lever guards on both sides, and we have the mirrors to fold in like that. So we have right here, we have the Rizoma sequential turn signals, and like that. Sequential meaning they, sequential. And we have the Ducati caliber spacers. We have Gillis tooling rear sets, and we got this puppy here, the aero exhaust. One thing they did change, they changed this into like a matte carbon. I wish it was gloss to match the rest of my bike, but it's all good. Love it so far. And then we have the Evotech frame sliders. Then we have the front frame slider right there. We have black screws for the radiator protectors or whatever. We got the Ducati rear nut with the Ducati rear pin. With this is the other side of the Evotech rear frame slider. And we have this NRC tail tidy kit with the black tint over it. We had an RK Racing 520 chain conversion with the front sprocket also. Then we have this is a super light sprocket, rear sprocket, and front sprocket. Then we have Ducati flange cover and nuts, and this is the other side of the Evotech rear slider. See, that's what I was worried about. We got this stuff all over the exhaust over here. Where do I get that off? Okay, it comes off. Yeah, but looking good so far. So we got other side frame slider, lever guard, and we're all good. And we got this carbon fiber trim piece, TWM quick action gas cap, gloss carbon tank protector, and that's it. And that's it for the bike so far. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. And if you're thinking about getting what the exhaust to get, just get the aero exhaust with the tune. This you will not be disappointed. Why I chose the aero is because I was hearing a lot of people saying that the Termi is not as loud as the aero, and I wanted the bike loud. Especially if I'm paying all that money, I want the bike loud to perform, to make it sound like a performance bike. So, I mean, I haven't actually heard the Termi in person. I heard the Acura. The Acura sounds good too, but that's the full system, and I'm not paying almost $6,000 to put for an exhaust. That's not happening. I could buy a whole another bike for that. So know what you guys think about the exhaust and all the other pieces I have on the bike so far. I think next I'm gonna attempt to install the oil bath, on here. I'm just deciding what color to go with, so stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Alright, peace.